Hello YouTube, in this video I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Flow to pull SharePoint data into a nicely formatted table on Outlook. I will be using HTML to generate the table and using an incremental variable while I loop through the SharePoint items to create alternating row colors. So this is my flow. I already created it and it works, so really I'm just gonna walk you through what I did. So first, the trigger is just a standard scheduler, and I'm gonna be grabbing from a SharePoint list. So first I need to create two variables. My first variable will be the row style, which will be just a string. My second variable will be the incremental integer. So we'll place a value of 0, and then I want to use a apply to each loop. So I'm going to loop through all my items from this SharePoint list. And every time this loop runs, we're going to increment the variable by 1. So I have a condition where mod variables var increment 2. What this does is this will give me either a even or odd number, basically. So I'm using this condition to kind of be like, if it's 0, then do this, if not, then do that. So this is how you do the alternating row colors. If yes, we set the variable row style to have this color background, and if not, the other one. So finally, we're gonna compose this. So here we have to use some HTML. At the end, we're gonna join all this together so that it'll actually be within a table bracket. So first, in your table row style, we're going to put the string variables var row style. And then for each table element, we can add some other styling if we want. So this will just look a little bit better. And then the tricky part here is the stuff we want to get sometimes doesn't show up on the dynamic content, so we have to type the expression itself to grab the items from this loop. So just a note, sometimes you will have to type in like items, apply to each, and then the thing you want. And the best way to do that is sometimes just test it without finishing this, and then just look at the output of the JSON to know what you should pull. Because for example, my author is actually author 0 because author is an actual hidden field in SharePoint. So once you get your the columns that you want, just join them all in the body. So make sure the HTML is set to yes here, and make sure to add your first row, which will be your headers. So you can also add different stylings here if you want. And to join everything together, we use a expression join parentheses action outputs, and then compose, the name of that. And so if you run this, it will show up like that. I don't want to show you guys my email, so I put it onto a snippet. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any other Power Apps or Microsoft Flow questions, and I can try to answer that in a future video. Thank you.